Hey, what's up guys? Filmora has launched a new campaign, UGC Submission Challenge. Create amazing videos with Filmora Collage and win exciting prizes. To participate in this challenge, download latest Filmora editor on desktop or mobile. Then pick up a template from Fun Filmora Collage folder. Just drag and drop your clip and create awesome video. Then export your clip. Share it on social media platform with hashtag Filmora-Fun-Collage. Share it before 26 June and win exciting prizes. Now let's see what you can win. First prize is DJI Pocket 2 combo. Second prize is $200 and third is Filmora free license. Also check out do's and don'ts. Link is in the description. Now let's jump into the Filmora to see how to use these templates to create awesome videos. Go to the template section, click on templates and you will see Filmora Fun Collage template. Here you will find lots of templates to create collage. Check out these templates by yourself. Choose the template of your choice, place it on the timeline. Now if you want to replace the background, just press and hold Alt key and drag and drop background of your choice on the background color to replace it. You can also add track to add more elements of your choice to make it stand out from other creators. Access sticker section and search for collage to add more elements to your collage. Just drag and drop on track, adjust the scale and adjust the position, then place it on its position. And then use transitions to make awesome in animation. Now to replace the main footage with your footage, press and hold Alt key and drag and drop your footage on it to replace it. In same way, create further clips, use transitions to make it stand out from other creators. And then export it and upload it on your social media and tag Filmora and use hashtag Filmora-Fun-Collage. So what you are waiting for? Participate now and win awesome prizes. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.